Hey guys, Mark here with System 3 Off-Road, and I'm proud to talk about this tire right here, the SS360. The SS stands for sand and snow. That's right, two terrains for the price of one. The SS360 is hands down one of the most popular choices for duners all across the country. I've had the pleasure to visit and ride in some of the best sand dune areas in the country, such as Little Sahara, Oklahoma, St. Anthony, Idaho, Coos Bay, Oregon, and the famous Glamis, California. And time after time, the SS360 was by far the most popular tire choice in all of these locations. The reason this tire is one of the most popular choices? Because of its performance and functionality. The SS360 is a lightweight two-ply carcass that lowers rolling resistance with its unique interlocking tread pattern. The SS360 gives you unmatched all-terrain handling in sand with maximum flotation. The SS gives you, the driver, the best combination of cornering traction and straight line propulsion while minimizing vehicle stress. The SS360 has one of the largest size offerings to cater to most all UTVs on the market, starting from a 28-inch all the way to a 35-inch. The 28-inch to the 30-inch are great options for the naturally aspirated UTVs on the market, and the 31 to 35 are great options for the most popular sport turbo UTVs. For you duners that want more bite and traction because of those high horsepower UTVs, don't worry, we got you covered. We offer our 32 and 33 SS360s in a HP model that features a 20mm scoop versus a standard 14mm. The HP stands for high horsepower. New for 2023, we developed a 35-inch option for the Polaris Pro R, Turbo R, and the new Can-Am Maverick R. The 35-inch SS360 features a 15mm scoop for more bite and traction. Quite simply, the SS360 allows you to maximize traction, propulsion, and efficiency when you're using four-wheel drive, whether you're in the sand or in the snow. I hope to see you out in the dunes, and as always, remember, when looking for tires and wheels for your UTV, look to System 3 for that traction, strength, and style.